Hello and welcome everyone. Today's class will learn user interface and all toolbars in detail. So let's start with today's topic. First, you open AutoCAD software. If you open software, you see a welcome window like this, on which the first option is get started. In that you have option to start a new drawing, open your existing drawing, open a sheet and so on. Next, you have option as a recently opened documents or drawings. In that, you can click on any drawing for editing. Next, you have option as a notification. In that, you can open your account and save your files in online. But nowadays, we don't use this that much. We use mostly new drawing and recently used document. Now, I click on Start Drawing and I get a new drawing. Now we discuss user interface in details. On interface, you have first tab as a title bar. Here you see a AutoCAD software, a version name and a active drawing name. After that, you can see a quick access toolbar. With the help of this toolbar, you can create a new drawing, you can open your existing drawing, you can save your drawing and so on. Also, these all options are available in Application Manager button which lies on the top left corner. Here, A represents its normal AutoCAD. If you use electrical AutoCAD, it has suffix as a E. Same for mechanical, civil and architectural. Now let's start to create a new drawing. First click on Application Manager toolbar, then click on New and then Drawing and press Enter. So here we create a new drawing and same things are done for open a new drawing, save your drawing, save as your drawing and remaining things we see in later. Now on quick access toolbar, if you go to this arrow, you get one drop down menu. Here you can click on options so that this option will display on quick access toolbar. Here we have two important options, Workspace and show menu bar. These two options mostly used here. If I press on Workspace here, and you can see we get one more option, that is drafting and annotation. If you want to work in 2D, then you can select as a drafting and annotation workspace. If you want to work in 3D modeling, then you have to select on 3D modeling, so that you get all options of 3D modeling. Here in drop down menu has one more option as a show menu bar. If you press on this, then you get one menu bar. In that has number of tabs like files, edit, view, insert and many more. Here all AutoCAD commands are available. If you want to use any command in AutoCAD, use this bar. Just like I click on draw tool, we get a line, ray, circle, all draw commands. Then dimension tool. If you want to add dimension in your drawing, then use linear, align, arc length and so on. Same like that, with the help of modify tool, you can use erase, copy, mirror, offset and so on. And these all options are also present in ribbon toolbar. So draw, modify, annotation, layers are present here also. So most of the time there is no need of menu bar. Then we have file tab. If you click on this plus sign, you can get a new drawing. Or if you want to close drawing, just click on here. So at a time you can open a number of drawing, but here active drawing is only one. Also you can switch on any drawing at any time. If this file tab is not present in your drawing, then type command as OP for option command. Now you get one dialog box as a options. Then go to display and select as display file tabs and select as a OK and you get this file tab. Now next is workspace, where we draw our drawing. In that workspace, first option available, that is UCS icon, that means User Co-ordinate System. Here our coordinate is 0, 0, that means our origin point. Now next option available is view to. Here we see a different direction like north, south, east, west and top view. This will help in 3D for view object in different view. And a next option is navigation toolbar. It's used to control the page, just to pan the page or zoom in or zoom out the page. But all these options we also do with mouse, so we don't use that much. Also, to toggle between minimize and maximize this workspace area, you can use a shortcut key as a Ctrl 0. So you can see your screen will be maximized. If you again press Ctrl 0, your screen will be minimized. Also, you can use command as clean screen on and off. Next has a very important option is command window, where we insert a command or shortcut for any object and press enter. For example, I type here L for line command and press enter. So I get this command. Also, a command window gives us to guidance for use a command. For example, I type here C for circle command and press enter. It says to specify the center point of the circle. If we give a center point, next it gives a guidance for give the radius or diameter of a circle. And here we draw one circle. If command window is not present on drawing, then you can press a Ctrl+9 for on and off the command window. And finally, we have a status bar toggles right here. This status bar toggle helps us to making precise drawing in AutoCAD. We talk about them in details in next class. And finally, if you want to close the active drawing, you can give a command as a close and press enter. But if you want to close the whole software, you can give a command as a exit and press enter, so that your software will close. That's all about today's class. Thank you.